Welcome to the Basics Hub. As the seasons change, so do our creative opportunities. Today, we're sharing 10 fun random seasonal hack ideas that will add joy and creativity to your celebrations. From DIY advent calendars to summer ice cream bars, let's dive in and get inspired. Hack 1. DIY Advent Calendar. First up is our DIY Advent Calendar. This is a great way to count down to the holidays with excitement. Here's how to make it. Gather small boxes or envelopes. Fill each one with treats or fun activities. Think stickers, chocolates, or family activities. Decorate the boxes with festive wrapping paper or markers. Hang them on a string or place them on a shelf for a cheerful countdown to the holidays. Hack 2. Summer Ice Cream Bar. Next, let's set up a summer ice cream bar. This is perfect for parties and gatherings. Here's what you need. A variety of ice cream flavors, toppings like sprinkles, nuts, fruits and sauces, cups, cones, and spoons. Create a fun station where guests can customize their own sundaes. It's a delicious way to keep everyone cool during those hot summer days. Hack 3. Halloween Pumpkin Planters. Our third hack is turning your Halloween pumpkins into planters. After Halloween, don't toss those pumpkins. Repurpose them. Here's how. Hollow out your carved pumpkin. Fill it with potting soil. Plant seasonal flowers or herbs inside. This not only extends the life of your pumpkins but also adds a charming fall decor element to your garden or porch. Hack 4. Winter Wonderland Decor. Next up is our Winter Wonderland Decor. Create beautiful decorations using simple materials. Here's how. Gather branches and twigs from your yard. Spray paint them white for a snowy effect. Arrange them in a vase or use them as part of your holiday decor. These simple yet stunning pieces add elegance to your home during the winter season. Hack 5. Spring Flower Seed Bombs. Now let's make spring flower seed bombs. This is an eco-friendly way to promote blooming flowers in your garden or community spaces. Here's how. Mix wildflower seeds with clay and compost in equal parts. Form small balls with the mixture. Once they're dry, you can throw these seed bombs into gardens or empty lots for instant blooms come springtime. Hack 6. DIY Christmas Tree Stand Cover. Our next hack is a DIY Christmas tree stand cover. Instead of hiding that unsightly plastic stand, let's dress it up. Here's how. Choose festive fabric or wrapping paper that matches your holiday decor. Measure and cut the fabric to fit around the base of your tree stand. Secure it with glue or double-sided tape. This simple cover not only enhances your holiday decor, but also gives your tree a polished look. Hack 7. Sled Christmas Tree Stand. Next, let's use an old sled as a unique Christmas tree stand. This hack adds a nostalgic touch to your holiday decor. Here's what to do. Find an old sled or purchase one from a thrift store. Secure your tree on top of the sled using rope or twine. This creates a delightful winter scene that's perfect for showcasing your tree and spreading holiday cheer. Hack 8. Summer Garden Party Lanterns. For our summer gatherings, let's create beautiful garden party lanterns. These are easy to make and add ambience to any outdoor event. Here's how. Fill mason jars with sand or pebbles for stability. Place tea lights or LED candles inside. Hang them from trees or place them on tables for enchanting lighting as the sun sets. Hack 9. DIY Fall Leaf Garland. Next up is a DIY fall leaf garland. This is an easy and beautiful way to decorate for autumn. Here's how. Collect real leaves or purchase faux ones in vibrant fall colors. String them together using twine or fishing line. Drape the garland over mantles, doorways, or tables to bring the beauty of fall indoors. Hack 10. Spring Cleaning Checklist Jar. Finally, let's make a spring cleaning checklist jar. This hack keeps you organized and motivated during spring cleaning. Here's what you need. Write down various cleaning tasks on slips of paper, like clean windows or organize closet. Place them in a decorative jar. Each day, pull out a task to tackle, making spring cleaning feel more manageable and less overwhelming. And there you have it. 10 fun random seasonal hack ideas that will brighten up your celebrations throughout the year. From Christmas tree stands to spring cleaning checklists, these hacks are easy to make and bring joy to every season. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative hacks. Share your favorite seasonal hacks in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Happy crafting!